Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Archer and Olive subscription box for September, and it just came in the mail a bit ago, so let's get into it. So it says, find the key, unlock the door, and sink into your favorite chair and candlelit calm. Here you are free to indulge in all the best books, games, and pastimes. And it's the Academia themed, and I saw the spoilers, and it looks incredible, so let's get into it. All right. Oops. Make sure you can see, okay. Oops. Adjust the camera a little bit. Okay. First, we have these little notebooks. They look so cute. I think one is craft and one is gray paper, I think. Let's see. Oh, I should have taken the plastic out before, but I love the little box that comes in. It's so cute. Okay. Here's the spines. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is the gray paper. It's dot grid. Oh, that's adorable. Don't know what I'm gonna use it for yet, but probably art or something. So these are the little bookmarks, the logo. And there's a little pocket to put stuff. And let's look at the other one that comes in there. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Little chess player on it, the matching spine, and this is the craft paper. And there's a little bookmark, and there's a little pocket in the back too. Okay, I'm gonna put this back for now, here. Okay, now, next thing is the washi. I love washi tape. Oh my gosh. I love the floral designs in here. So here's the first one. Really pretty floral pattern that coordinates with everything. And then we have these chess players. I haven't played that game in a long time. And then we have this, like, not checkerboard pattern, but like diamond pattern. Really cool. Oops. Oh, shoot. And then the last washi roll is these books. That's really cool. Oops. It's back in here. And then we have, let's see what this is. Metal tabs, really cool. Different patterns on it. I mean, different, like, chessboard and a flower and the little key. And then we have some, oops, that's just everything in the box. And then we have some stickers. I love stickers. Really pretty packaging on there too. Ooh, those are pretty. You get 2 of those. Those are close up. Ooh, here's a collage paper pad. I don't want to ruin the box. Ooh, cool. This is gonna be good for art journaling. I love the music notes. Wait, do I have it upside down? Oops, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, cool. Moon. Shelf of books. Looks like the forest. More books. That's really cool. Some florals. And then just repeats. That's awesome. And then we have some gel pens. I love Archer & gel pens. If you remember, they also released ones that were like neon colors. These are more like, not hard to explain the palette, but they match the whole collection. So we have like a green, a maroon, like a teal, gray, and looks like a coral color. Those are pretty. I love gel pens in my art journaling, especially my art journaling. I do a lot of abstract art. Okay, and then we have a letter opener. I saw that in the previews. This looks really cool. I'm going to use the scissors to open it. Whoa, it's heavy. Ooh, cool. Very vintage looking too. That's really cool. And then last but not least, the notebook. I'll put the box up to the side now. Okay. The boxes are always beautiful. All right. Plastic off. Oops. Here we go. Acadamia 5. Upside down again. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Looks like it's got gilded gold edges. I love when the notebooks have that. Look at the inside. Ooh. Again with that gold foil. Then we have decorated white pages. 160 GSM. There's the bookmark. And the 192 pages in this book. Sometimes they're 160, but you get 192. There's a little pocket in the back. And here's the back of the book. Oops. There we go. This is my favorite thing in the box.